How to install Paycom app on iPhone expressly for employees who already utilize Paycom's HR and payroll technology at work. The Paycom app puts the power of our employee self-service technology on your mobile device. Please note that some employee self-service features must be enabled by your organization Paycom administrator. If you have questions about this feature, please connect with your HR payroll department so you can access your data, employee-driven payroll, accurate timekeeping approvals from anywhere, defeat the receipt, learn at your pace, and then you can just tap get and then double click to install it. Confirm with Face ID or Touch ID, and then you can just use it. Log in securely with Face ID, log in securely with a PIN, get instant answers through employee self-service. Then you just need to do like a user agreement, and then have your username. You can sign up there, and so that's basically the process.